Welcome to Quick Tech. Today's topic is Bluehost. In the digital age, a website is more than just a presence. It's your voice, your storefront, your portfolio, your connection to the world. But none of this is possible without a solid foundation. Enter web hosting, the backbone of your online endeavors. Choosing the right web hosting provider is like choosing the right foundation for your house. It needs to be reliable, strong, and able to support your growth. That's where Bluehost comes in. Bluehost has earned its stripes as a leading web hosting provider, trusted by millions of websites worldwide. With a focus on uptime, speed, and exceptional customer support, Bluehost provides the bedrock for your digital dreams to flourish. When it comes to web hosting, three factors reign supreme: uptime, speed, and customer support. Bluehost excels in all three areas, providing a hosting experience that's both reliable and empowering. Uptime is the lifeblood of your website. Every second your site is down means lost visitors and revenue. Bluehost boasts an impressive uptime guarantee, ensuring your website is accessible almost always. Speed is another critical factor. Bluehost's optimized servers deliver lightning-fast loading times, keeping your visitors engaged. A faster website translates into a better user experience, leading to higher conversions. And if you ever encounter any bumps, Bluehost's renowned customer support team is there to help, 24/7. No two websites are created equal. Bluehost offers a range of hosting plans tailored to different website types. For bloggers, Bluehost's shared hosting plans provide an affordable platform to share your thoughts and stories. If you're looking to sell products or services online, Bluehost's e-commerce hosting plans offer everything you need to set up shop. For creative professionals, Bluehost portfolio hosting plans offer a stylish platform to showcase your work. With customizable templates and drag-and-drop builders, you can create a stunning online portfolio that captures your brand. Section 4. The Bluehost Experience, a closer look. Choosing a web hosting provider is a big decision. It's not just about features and specs, it's about the overall experience. From the moment you sign up, you're greeted with a clean, intuitive interface. Whether you're tech-savvy or a beginner, you'll find Bluehost's dashboard user-friendly. Managing your website, setting up email accounts, and accessing support are all just a few clicks away. Bluehost also places a strong emphasis on performance. Their servers are optimized for speed and reliability, ensuring your website loads quickly and runs smoothly. And if you ever need assistance, Bluehost's renowned customer support team is available 24/7. Section 5. Weighing the scales, pros and cons of Bluehost. Like any web hosting provider, Bluehost has its strengths and weaknesses. Understanding both the pros and cons can help you make an informed decision. Let's start with the pros. Bluehost consistently ranks high in terms of uptime, speed, and customer support. Their plans are also very affordable, making them an attractive option for businesses and individuals on a budget. Additionally, Bluehost offers a 30-day money-back guarantee so you can try their services risk-free. On the downside, some users have reported issues with Bluehost's upselling tactics. Overall, Bluehost's pros far outweigh its cons, making it a solid choice for most website owners. Section 6. Bluehost, your partner in digital success. In the vast digital landscape, establishing a strong online presence is no longer a luxury but a necessity. Your website is your virtual storefront, your portfolio, your voice to the world. Bluehost, with its commitment to uptime, speed, and exceptional customer support, emerges as a reliable partner in your digital journey. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur, a passionate blogger, or a creative professional, Bluehost provides the tools and support you need to thrive. Their intuitive platform empowers you to focus on creating compelling content and building your brand. With Bluehost by your side, you can navigate the digital realm with confidence. Take the leap, explore Bluehost's offerings, and unlock the potential of your online endeavors. Link in description to become a Bluehost customer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and like and share for more videos in future.